In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zapier templates to save time. Zapier templates are pre-built automations, called zaps, that connect your apps so routine work happens in the background. Instead of building from scratch, templates give you a ready-made starting point with the trigger and actions already set up. This is perfect when you know what you want to automate, but you don't want to spend time wiring each step yourself. First, log into your Zapier account. Once you're in, head to the Explore section and open Templates. This is your library of ideas. You'll see featured templates and categories, and you can browse by use case like marketing, sales, or productivity. If you already know what you want, the search bar is the fastest path. Type in your app or task. For example, if you want new Gmail emails to be logged in a Google Sheets spreadsheet, search for Gmail to Google Sheets. You'll see several variations, each with a short description. Look for a template that closely matches your goal. The title will usually tell you the trigger, like new email, and the action, like create spreadsheet row. Click into a template to read the summary and check which fields it uses so you know what information will flow between apps. When you've found the one you want, select Try this Zap. Zapier will open the editor with the steps already laid out. This is where the template becomes your own. You'll be prompted to connect your accounts for each app used in the template. Follow the on-screen prompts to grant permission securely. If you're connecting Gmail, for instance, you may be asked to confirm which account and allow access to read emails. For Google Sheets, you'll choose which account to use for creating rows. Next, review the steps. Make sure the trigger matches how you work. If the template watches for labeled emails, choose the label you actually use. In the action step, pick the exact spreadsheet and worksheet and map the fields so the right email details land in the right columns. Use the built-in test option to pull sample data from your trigger app and confirm everything looks correct. When everything is set, give your Zap a clear name so you can find it later, and then publish. Zapier will turn it on and start watching for new activity. You can monitor runs in your Zap history and make quick edits anytime. That's it. Using templates, you can set up dependable automations in minutes and get time back for more important work.